cold out here. Close these windows. But anyway, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to code your trunk to power close from the button that's down below and from the key fob. Let's get into it. And if you guys can see, I just picked up this new mic yesterday. It's a Rode mic, so hopefully the video, the sound quality will be a lot better than it was before. It's my first time using this. Hopefully it's good, you know. And of course, we're going to be using the app called BIMMERCODE to code this in our car. All right, so the first two things you guys are going to need, you're going to need the app BIMMERCODE. This is available on Android and also iPhone. It's going to run you about $30 both ways for the full version of this. And also, you guys are going to need this. This right here is the wireless OBD scanner. What you do is you take it out, you plug this into your OBD port, which is usually located right here up underneath. And what that does is that it's going to send the signal, the wireless signal, onto your phone. That way you can connect the app to the car's OBD port. And of course, if you guys are going to be coding this on an older BMW, just double check that this is the appropriate connector for your car, because I know older BMWs, I think they're slightly different. So yeah, just make sure you guys grab the right one. I'm gonna throw a link up in the description. This was $20 on Amazon, and it's great to always have in your car. All right, so pretty much what we're gonna be doing is, so if you have a stock car, right, nothing is coded or any of that, this goes for the 4 series, 5 series, 6 series, 7 series, any car, any BMW with the power trunk. You guys will have this button down here, and all it does is just that it opens up the trunk, right? So the trunk opens up. Usually if you guys have this on your car, these two buttons right here, you guys can code it in your car. But from the factory, if you press the button again, the trunk isn't going to close. Same thing with the key fob. If you guys press the key fob again, the trunk will not close. But I mean, my car is coded right now, so if I close it, as you guys can see, it automatically closes. But I'm just going to show you guys how to code that onto your car. That way it's more convenient for you guys, you know, because from the factory, if you just press that button once, the trunk just opens. If you press it again, it's not going to do anything. But with BIMMERCODE, it allows you to press it again, and the trunk will automatically close on its own. Let's get into it. All right, so the first thing you guys want to do is you want to take your OBD scanner and you want to plug it into the OBD port, which is located down below. All right, your car, it can be on, but I usually keep it off to code my stuff. So we're just going to leave the power on. All right, then what you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to hop into your settings. All right, and you're gonna go Wi-Fi. So you're gonna hop into your settings, you're gonna go to Wi-Fi, and then you're gonna want to connect to V-Link. V-Link is the OBD scanner, the wireless OBD scanner. You just want to make sure you're connected. Then you're gonna hop back into BIMMERCODE, which is right over here. And then we're gonna just make sure everything is good. These are all the different connections you guys could use to code your car. Right now we are V-Gate iCar Wi-Fi. I'm gonna press back, we're gonna press done, and then we're gonna press connect. Not now. All right, press continue. Then this gives you all the options of the cars that you can code it with. So we are right here, where was that aside? 5 series from 2010 and up, so that's a F10. We're gonna press connect. If it doesn't load up the first time, just keep doing it until it actually loads up, because sometimes it does take a while for it to connect to the car. So as you guys can see, it is identifying the ECU. Pretty straightforward. What that means is that it's just connecting to the car's computer. That way you could unlock all of the features, but we're just going to be focusing on the powered trunk. All right, so once everything finishes loading, you're going to see just a list of different sections of the things that you're going to code in your car. But right now we're going to be focusing on tailgate function module. So we're going to hop into that. We're going to wait for this to load. All right, so once it finishes loading, you're gonna get 3 options. It's gonna say close tailgate with remote, close tailgate with button and driver door, and close tailgate with remote without long press. All right, so you're just gonna wanna make everything active. So from the factory, everything is just gonna be not active. I don't know why they do that, but it should just be automatic that, you know, they just put in the car. So we're gonna make everything active. As you can see, I already have everything active because it's already coded in my car. So once you do that, right, you make everything active, then you're gonna wanna press code, top right corner, and just wait for everything to finish. And then once you're done, you're gonna press back, and then you're gonna wanna press disconnect, and everything is coded in your car for the trunk. All right, so once you're done with that, you're gonna turn off the car. Then you're gonna wanna disconnect the wireless OBD port, and you're done. That's pretty much it. So we're gonna start up the car, right? And now, once you're done with that, everything should be coded. So when you hit this once, as you can see, the trunk is opening, all right? And then if you press it again, the trunk automatically closes, as you can see. Same thing goes with the key, which I left in here. So if you press it once, the trunk automatically opens. And then if you press it again, the trunk automatically closes, which is pretty lit to have. Super convenient rather than having to it's super convenient rather than having to go to the back of the car, press the trunk button for it to close. You know, you can press it from either up here in the driver door or from the key fob. All right, y'all, so with that being said, that is how you code the power trunk close in your car for any BMW that has the power trunk option. All right, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not already. So if you guys haven't already, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot. You guys get to get more content on this car with BIMMERCODE, mods, and all of that stuff, updates on the car and whatnot. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.